This car is a Kia Sedona, purchased from America by accident. And now we want to repair it. Let's go. Here we have removed all the broken parts. The accident was very difficult. See the junction of the two pieces separated. The back door needs to be replaced. These are broken parts. Now we open them from the car. This is a smoothing ligament device. The device opens oil jacks using wind, and with the help of a chain, we pull the body of the car. A bit of hammering is required for the drawn piece to stand. After repairing that part, now it is necessary to draw other parts of the body. See with what force it pulls the piece back. In this step, all parts are painted and need to be installed. Now the bumper is installed, and we want to install the glass on the back door. This man is a painter. In this part, after cleaning the installation area of the glass, we glue it around.
Vay! Nesmin derhal pneumatik güneşe.
Zoom نمیده.
The glass was installed. It takes 2 days for the glass glue to dry. Now we are installing the plastic cover inside the room. This is me, who will make videos for you about all the stages of repairing all kinds of cars. If you like my video, be sure to introduce me to your friends. It needs screws.
2 hours later.
All car parts were installed and ready to be delivered to the customer. My friends, don't forget to like and subscribe.